Let me take off my glasses so that you can see me better. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this new Sportbrella that I got from Sam's Club. Actually, I paid about $30 for it. The first one that I bought was online. Right when they first came out, it was about $50 for one of them, but I got this one in Sam's Club. It was a lot cheaper, so let's go ahead and do just a little unboxing. This is the 9-foot Sportbrella, 8-foot Sportbrella, UPF 50 plus, of course. You can see plenty of happy people here enjoying the summer underneath their Sportbrella. And I really like it because it works great. You've probably seen me use it in a couple of the videos. I use it mainly when I go camping at River Island State Park. So I'm just really excited to have another one of these. Hopefully they upgraded some of the features, and it looks like they have, to make it easier to use and hopefully more resilient. I plan on making another video of a 1,000-mile review of the Sportbrella that I currently have, and then doing another pros and cons video from the new one to the old one as well. So for now, let's just do an unboxing today. As you can see, I have not opened this yet, and you can see this is the way it comes packaged in this big old thing here. It's an umbrella after all. So let's go ahead and open it up. First of all, it says on the outside that it is not rainproof but waterproof. Adjustable umbrella for maximum sun and weather protection. Zippered windows for ventilation. That was on the old one. And increased stability. Heavy duty 1.25-inch center pole with twist handle. The twist handle is new. That was not on the old one. Stowaway clips allow side flaps to be easily stored. That was also on the old one. That's for the window. So you roll it up, you clip it in, and then away you go. Easily anchors into most surfaces with a premium auger bit. Adjust for all-day sun protection with tilting pivot. This was not on the old one. Side panels for protection and privacy, and this was on the old one. So it looks like they've done some upgrades. Again, it costs about $40 to $45. I think I bought it for $39.99 at Sam's Club. So let's go ahead and open it from this side. It looks like there's already some need for scissors, which I have down here somewhere. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the bag. You can see it's got zip ties all along it to keep it sturdy and together, right? So let's get some scissors and cut it off, and let's see what happens here. So I got some scissors here. Let's go ahead and open up some of these. So let's do this one first. Okay, got that. It looks like the pole is separate now, which is interesting. It used to be just a pole that was all together, you know, so it's good that they have made this change. So let's go ahead and undo this one as well. I don't know if you can see that there. Let me take off my glasses so that you can see me better. Take off this, and then there is some foam on here, so I'm just going to cut that away as well. Foam with tape. Oh, they really package it nicely. That's good. Okay, so there's that, and then there's some foam on this side as well. Cut this off. Okay. Very nice. Oh, it looks like this is the twisty end. So this is the end that twists into the ground, and then it looks like it clips together somehow via this thing. I'm not too sure. This is all new, so this is definitely new to me. I don't know, we'll find out. So, and then it looks like it has another tie on it, and it looks like it's keeping the tent stakes in place. I would recommend going to Walmart and getting those cheap yellow, they're bright yellow tent stakes. And those are the ones that I use. They're specifically for sand, and they work out great. These ones are fine, right? The ones that are included with it are just fine, but I prefer the bright yellow plastic ones. They work great in sand. These ones On the first one, they included our metal, and yes, these are very similar to what they had. They just have this new plastic cap on there. But you can see these are also good, but they bend. The old ones bent rather easily, so I'll have to show you the yellow ones that I bought in a different video, but you know, just be forewarned that these stakes aren't the best, the ones that they have included. They've also included an extra tie, which is always nice. Several extra ties. This is all packaged in it, so it looks like it contains 4 of these type of stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are similar. It's got the triangle method here for anchoring into sand or hard dirt with the cap on the top there. And they have 4 of those. And then they have 3 extra tie downs in case you need those. I think there's only 1 extra tie down. I usually keep the tie down just on the umbrella. And then you get 4 of these type of stake. These stakes are for actually the back of the umbrella where the divots are. I'll have to show you when I put up the old umbrella and give you the review of it, but this is what it looks like. So, it looks like this just comes out here and it goes up very easily, which is nice. So this is just like the old umbrella. I won't put it up in here because I am indoors. I'm not superstitious or anything, but you know, I just don't want to put up an umbrella indoors currently because I just don't have enough room where I'm at right now. So I am going to just fold this back in and then we will put this back. But I did want to try and put this pole into the Sportbrella section here. So it looks like it goes together like this. Oh, there's some type of loosening mechanism in there. Okay. I'm not too sure how that works. So, okay, it looks like it just goes like that, I guess. It's kind of confusing a little bit. But then there's like an extra pole here. I'm not too sure what that's for. If that's for the anchor? Telescoping second pole inside, removed carefully. Telescoping second pole inside, remove carefully. How do we do this? I have no idea. Something new every day, I guess. Telescoping. How do I work that? That's a great question here, isn't it? I do see the second pole inside of here. I'm not too sure how this works. Is it inside of here, they mean? No? Boy, that's confusing. Wow, interesting. This is heavy, so it does feel like there's a second. You can see it too. So there's like a little button that... Okay, so that's for that. I'm not too sure what they mean. Telescoping second pole inside. Removing. Be careful when removing. And this kind of moves back and forth as well. So I'm not too sure how to do that. We may have to test this out. So you can see this corkscrew goes into the sand. This is going to be extremely helpful. But I'm not too sure how this part works exactly. I may have to figure that out then. This wiggles back and forth, but you can't pull it, you know? It just doesn't go anywhere. Oh, I don't know. It says be careful. I don't feel it though, you know? I'm not too sure. And I'm not too sure what that second, it doesn't show it in the picture either, what that little tiny pole does on the outside. You can see this here. I'm not too sure what this does, so may have to figure that out then eventually. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? That seems fun. So may have to figure this out, but I just thought I'd do an unboxing and you can see what it all comes with. So it comes with the corkscrew thing here to go into the sand. It comes with this thing, I'm not too sure. And then the umbrella part. It's actually a very nice umbrella. I'm very excited to use it, so we'll just have to see how this works then when I put it up and do a review of it. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you enjoyed it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.